fam. I actually didn't make an intro to this video, so I thought I'd just give you a little snapshot. So this video was actually taken, this is a little hunt I did after work up in a new canyon, a little different territory than my where I first found that elk bull. And then I've since done a little other hikes, but you know, there's more videos coming, so hope you guys enjoy this one. Did find a few animals, so lots of interesting stuff. So check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Hard to tell, see if the GoPro is running, but bumped a mama, 2 babies. Feeling good about this area. They're just hanging out right behind that pine tree, straight in the middle of the screen. Oh man, good sign, good sign. Gonna keep going. Yeah, that's bear poop. Not something I necessarily want to see hunting alone, but it's small, so not too bad. It's okay. I got my bear spray ready to go. Probably more nervous about seeing, thinking more about bears than anything else, so it's gonna be okay. Hoping there's elk in here. Lots. This is probably the most solid game trails I've seen since my first video. So good sign, good sign. Super old, super dry. I just crushed it. But super old and dry, but jeez. And if I've got maybe spring bear in here, man, I cannot go bear hunting alone. Whoever does that, you guys are crazy. I am just too scared, even with my bear spray. Going after elk though. far in here now, you can see the sun's going down with all that bear poop in the bottom area. I'm probably gonna actually hike up this hill and then hike out through the top ridge, because honestly, too sketch for me. I was like, at times it was so tight and the bear poop was right there. I thought I was like, okay, just pull out the bear spray, be ready. But lots of track through here, moose, deer, no fresh poop though, so I don't know if it's just an old game, like a game trail they'll use when they're getting kicked out from the snow, so I don't know, we'll see. We actually saw a game trail, a game cameras, one set up way down in that swamp. But hopefully they get some cool pics. Bear, moose, whatever walks down through there. Too much for me. A little too scary. I'm walking back to the truck, so you can see I'm up on the ridge, and then down there is where all the bear poop was. And sorry, there's a hair on the camera, but sorry. So the ridge valley where all the bear poop is. I'm actually heading back to the truck, and I just heard 3 gunshots. So I'm like, archery season for deer and elk, but could be bear hunting or mountain lion hunting. I don't know. I don't think there's any other controlled hunts started yet. So I don't know. It'll be interesting to see if I can actually, if I find them and what they're getting. Hopefully they got a bear. That'd be cool. But who knows? If I find anything, you can see. If not, you can say I put the GoPro away, because sweaty. It's heavy on your head after so many. I ended up hiking a mile and 1.5 miles back. Sent off a few bugles, a few cow calls. Nothing. And I think I'm gonna walk down this tree along the ridge. See if I can spot a buck wandering around down there. If not, all good. I kind of know that this place doesn't have a lot of elk, if it does have any elk. And that's what I came here for. So different spot tomorrow morning. Back to where I hear the bugles. So I'll check back in if I find anything. The second time I've run into a skunk while hunting in the last week. That was the trail I wanted to take. Dare I follow it? No, I will leave you alone. Alright, well, I didn't finish up the video last night. The way back was a lot longer than I thought, and it sucked really bad. There's still bear poop up at the top, and yeah, dark and bear poop, not fun. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe as always, and it's the next morning. I'm on a different spot, so catch tuned for this next video. See ya.